Hello. Today, we'll cover some key features from the January release of Dial. There's a lot to cover today, so let's jump into the chat UI. The first thing you may notice is this new File Manager icon in the left-hand sidebar. This allows you to manage all your uploaded files, as well as files that have been shared with you in conversations or applications. This UI allows us to move, rename, duplicate, and delete all of our uploaded files for easy use and reuse. To upload a file into Dial storage, we can copy-paste, drag and drop, or use the clipboard icon to attach it. In this attachment mode, we have a bit more control of where the files go. By default, they get attached to an Uploads folder organized by month, but this can be configured on the enterprise level. While we're on the topic of working with files, this release also includes a new Anthropic adapter, which makes it even easier to work with Claude, no matter where it's hosted. An additional benefit of this adapter is improved support for non-TXT text files. For example, I'll upload this Markdown file containing the January release notes that I'm currently making a video about, and ask Claude to tell me about the newest features. In addition to this native Anthropic adapter, the release also added DeepMind Veo 3 and 3.1 support into our Vertex adapter, giving users an additional video generation option in Dial to supplement Sora. Veo can also generate videos with sound. Check out this video I asked it to generate for a new AI Dial logo. For the last feature of the chat UI side of things in this release, I'll draw your attention to the user settings, where we now have a keyboard shortcut section. For now, this only alters the behavior of the Control, Shift, and Enter key to toggle send message or insert a line within a prompt behavior, but the framework is there to extend keyboard functionality. Now, let's jump into the Dial admin, where we've deployed our initial version of the HuggingFace model servings into the deployment manager. The deployment manager supports deployment of MCP servers, Dial interceptors, NVIDIA NIM models, and now models from HuggingFace directly into your Dial ecosystem. Please note that this is a preview running on our dev environment and not yet in production. Let's filter our model servings by the ones with actively running containers. Here, we see this Qwen serving. Clicking on it, we see that it's a deployment of the 4 billion parameter Qwen instruct model. Let's use the servings page to create the model, and then we'll make it visible to end users by assigning all active roles to it. You'll see that the Dial admin needs a few seconds to sync with the Dial core. When this is ready, let's go to our dev Dial chat environment and find this model and say hello. As you can see, we can talk to it like any other model in the Dial ecosystem. We go into much more detail about the HuggingFace servings, the deployment manager, and model configuration in dedicated videos about the Dial admin, but we hope you enjoyed this sneak preview, as well as the rest of the Dial updates from the January release. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, thank you.